Hello everyone, here is a recipe for Besan Ladoo. Besan Ladoo is a popular Indian sweet made from roasted chickpea flour, that is besan, ghee, clarified butter, sugar and flavored with cardamom and garnished with nuts. Here's a simple recipe to make besan laddu. Ingredients: 2 cups besan, that is chickpea flour, 1 cup ghee, that is clarified butter, 1 cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons chopped nuts like cashews, almonds or pistachios, a pinch of saffron strands. This is optional for garnish. Instructions. Number 1. Heat a heavy bottomed pan or kadai over low-medium heat. Number 2. Add ghee to the pan and let it melt. Make sure the heat is on low to prevent the ghee from burning. Number 3. Once the ghee has melted, add the besan to the pan. Number 4. Roast the besan in the ghee on low-medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning. This step is crucial and it may take about 15 to 20 minutes to roast the besan properly. The besan should turn golden brown and you should be able to smell a nutty aroma. The mixture will also become thick and leave the sides of the pan. Number 5. Once the besan is roasted, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. It should still be warm but not too hot to handle. Number 6. Add the powdered sugar and cardamom powder to the roasted besan. Mix everything well until it's evenly combined. Number 7. Allow the mixture to cool down further until it's comfortable to touch. Number 8. Now take a small portion of the mixture in your hand and shape it into a round ball, that is laddu. Repeat this process with the remaining mixture. Number 9. If you like, you can press a saffron strand or a piece of chopped nut onto the top of each laddu for garnish. Number 10. Let the besan laddus cool completely at room temperature. They will firm up as they cool. Number 11. Once the ladoos have completely cooled and set, store them in an airtight container. Your homemade Besan Ladoos are ready to enjoy. These ladoos have a rich, nutty flavor and melt in your mouth. They are perfect for festivals, celebrations, or as a sweet treat anytime. Thank you.